morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Hope you're recovering well from the holiday weekend. We had a great time Saturday at A Day with a Wolf. If you're not familiar with that, go back to the last video and check it out. It's just a bunch of modeling buddies hanging out at our buddy Gerald Wolf's house and just having a great time, a lot of fun. Well, at that get-together, there were a couple of content creators that are also vendors that were there, and I picked up a few things. I want to share those with you today. And I'm going to be testing some new electronics, something that I've needed, and we'll get into that here in a minute. So let's get to it.
Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.com.
As I said in the opening, we had just an absolutely awesome time Saturday. And while we were there, I picked up a few things from Matthew at Model Car Videos, MCV Products, as well as K-Dog, Kenny Shores at K-Dog's Model Doghouse, and he also owns Bandit Resins. But let me show you first up what we got from Matthew. Got a few new stickers where we've changed that from mcvproducts.net to .com. So bring your model to life, and one of his other stickers there. So we picked up those, but Matthew had two brand new items that I don't know that they were on the website yet, but check these out. There's a set of Weld Almaster. I don't know if I can get these things open. Drag set, and these things are really, well, you can see in the picture there, but check these out, guys. And these are now available. Mickey Thompson's. Great set of drag slicks. And check out those wheels. Absolutely awesome. And this other set is a set of Weld Laguna drag radials. Oh, come on. I'll put them back in there later. And I love these. The tread, I have not seen these wheels before, but check those out. Some really crisp molding there too. I'm thinking some good polished aluminum on both of these sets. And again, a good set of Mickey Thompson's. Check out that tread. Is that not cool? Up those down a little bit and then get some of that Tamiya rubber black on those. But these are, again, now available. And remember, when you go over there, use HobbyDude10 for 10% discount on your purchases there. And let me tell you, this website, it'll take you a while to go through it. If you're not familiar with his engines or anything like that, check those out as well. All of the accessories, just tons and tons and tons of stuff. Matthew, thank you so much, bud. These are going to get some use. I love both of these things. I've seen these before, and I really like these. But the Lagunas, I've not seen those before. But those are really tough, too. Also, as I mentioned, K-Dog was there from K-Dog's Model Car Doghouse. If you are not familiar with that channel either, you need to head over and check it out. Kenny's been at this a long time, and he is an absolutely master resin caster, as well as he's gotten into the 3D printing and picked up what I didn't have. I had one of the shop cars, but I did not have one of his stickers. So now we've got that taken care of. But just an awesome guy, too. Known Kenny for probably 30 plus years, too. As you see here in this picture from BG's Taco Supremo truck, I used a set of Kenny's artillery wheels on that one. Well, I wanted another set, and he was going to bring a set, and as you see here, he took these off of his pegboard of the displays because he had run out of them. So I got the display set, which are already painted, where the ones on BG's truck, I just bought them bare and painted those myself. But these things, and as you see, you've got the selection of 4 of the, are those not just absolutely cool? And then you've got the smaller ones as well. But these are really great looking tires and wheels. And I'm tickled to death I got a painted set. So, and I was going to go back with this same color as I did with BG's, to use this on one of, well, it'll be a surprise, but you'll see it. But just awesome stuff. Now, the other thing I got is, you know, when I would do my segments on Now That's Cool, when I would do it at a show, sometimes I had to go back, call and apologize to whoever I was doing the segment on, and say, look, I need to do a voiceover with all the background noise. We can't hear each other. So I decided to invest in some mics, and I wanted to get some really good ones, and these are the DJI, and these are the mini mics, and these have a super strong magnet for the back, or you've got a little clip as well. Now I've already got this one mated. You see the blue light? This is already mated to my iPhone. So I want to try this first, and they've got accessories to do so much more. But this can clip or magnet onto your shirt, and I think it's got like a 400-foot range or something, so it's a long range. But I want to test this today too. You see a lot of times people holding these while they're talking, and then you've got some that have them clipped on their shirt and things like that. Well, I'm going to try it kind of both ways here in just a minute, and we'll have a conversation with and without it, and we'll see how it works and whether I need to return this or not. But based on the ratings on this is a really top drawer little mic. So we're going to give it a shot, and if it works out well, we're going to be using it at shows in the future too, to try to cut down on some of that background noise. So let me reset the camera a little bit, and we'll give this a shot. Okay guys, so we're going to test these mics, and the reason again that I'm doing this is when I'm at these shows and I'm doing an interview, or oftentimes when you see, not just in model car content, but in other forms, you'll know distinctly when there's a change from a voiceover that's inserted into a video versus just one that's from the mic on their camera or on their iPhone. Now, every single video I have done from the very first one to this one right here has been done with my old iPhone 7. And I think it's done okay, and I'm one of those that unless it's broke, don't fix it. You know, keep going with what works. But even in my own videos, I do notice a difference, and I have to adjust the audio when I'm editing to make it sound kind of even. And sometimes it works, sometimes but I wanted to be a little more consistent with that, and as I said in a few videos back, it's time for me to invest in some better equipment anyway. So we want to try these DJI, and also the great thing with this is if I'm at a show and I wanted to talk with somebody, and I don't interview sometimes folks that I would like to because of the sound quality in that room with all of the background noise and everything. But this particular set that I got has two mics, so you can each have one on. Now, I do not have it on right now. I wanted to do this, and I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. And okay, according to this is mated up. I don't know if I need to reset the phone first or not, but I'm just going to talk and see if you can tell a difference real quick. And I think I'm going to go ahead and turn this off, and then turn it back on wearing it. And I'm going to make sure it's mated up first, because right now it shows that it is, but I don't know. Okay, I just turned it off. So, all right, let me switch the camera or reset the camera, and we'll try that again. All right, guys, I've got the magnetic clip on it right now, and I don't know how it's sounding, but we're going to find out once we get this online. But anyway, I wanted to experiment with that just a little bit, have a little fun, and see what it sounds like. When Amanda gets home, I'll probably experiment a little bit with operating both mics. This is connected directly to the Bluetooth on the telephone, but there is also a jumper that is supposed to be even clearer, that you can connect both to this, and it'll be even clearer yet. But we'll be experimenting with that, and I'll let you know how that goes. And hopefully we'll have more interviews live at shows and things like that coming up. And I really would like you to hear from the folks that do the Now That's Cool sections themselves, telling about the car versus me doing a voiceover. So hopefully this is going to work out. A little experiment today, so appreciate you tagging along. Hey, it's December. Can you believe it? Closing out another year, but make that Christmas list for Santa too, for all of our models and supplies that we're dreaming about. So guys, hope y'all have a great one, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys, have a good one.